Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 5 potential altcoins to buy in the month of June. So June is officially here, guys, and we're going to be looking at the market to see how it's performing and what is going on. So as we record this right now, in the past 24 hours, the market is up about 7.5%. We see some top momentum movements and the highest volume obviously plays. So Bitcoin performing very well over this holiday weekend, up about 5% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum up about 13% if we look at right there. Cardano up about 11%, Binance Coin 9%, Ripple 15%, Dogecoin is on the run as well, 8.4%, currently trading at 33 cents, coming back up, right guys? If we take a look right here, most of these coins are up about 10% or so, and some of them are, a little bit higher and some of them a little bit lower, but we definitely see some momentum plays right here, and what could be another run for the crypto market. Obviously, Bitcoin, like we talked about, we need Bitcoin to pass through that 42,000 resistance. Once it, breaks through that, we could see the highs come back up, which will definitely bring in more, volume and more, people into the crypto space once again. So let's take a look at the first coin, guys. The first coin is going to be REN, very low market cap. So usually we don't talk about, low market cap coins on this channel as much as, we talk about the mid cap or the large cap. But this one right here, very low, 570 million market cap, volume in the past 24 hours, 97.7 million, circulating supply 997.2 million REN. And if we take a look here, it's up about 22% in the past 24 hours. It was trading at 42 cents, now it's trading at about 57. Now in the past week, it's up about 56%, and then obviously on the 1 month chart down about 32%, and on the 1 year chart up about 526%. As we did highs here, hit highs of 185 at one point in February, and then we haven't hit those highs ever since. But we see this momentum, happening right now that could potentially bring it to highs in the future. So REN is an Ethereum token that powers REN's open protocol for transferring cryptocurrencies between blockchains. Now REN aims to bring popular assets like Bitcoin and Zcash on the blockchains, including Ethereum, making it possible for these assets to participate in a multi-chain decentralized finance ecosystem. So obviously REN very interesting to me with the market cap being so low, under about $500 million or so. This one definitely has a lot more potential in the future to continue to run. We could definitely be seeing this one trading at around 10 billion market cap, which would give it about 2,000% potential, or about a 20x, and that is definitely interesting in my opinion, because there's a lot of potential, as the coin is still valued at a low price, and it has a lot of momentum for a run. Now guys, before we get into the rest of the altcoins, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 250 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. Leave a comment below. What crypto are you looking at in the month of June? As always, if you want to sign up for Weibo, there's going to be a link in the description. Get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. And now let's get into the rest of it, guys. So the next one is going to be Cardano. Cardano, very popular coin on the channel. We love ADA. This coin is definitely a coin for the future, in my opinion. This one has a market cap of 56.5 billion. It's currently trading at $1.77, up about 10% on the 24-hour chart. This one was trading at 153. Now it's at 177 in the past week, up about 33%, which is not bad. In the past month, it's actually up 35%, so it's in the green, even though it did hit highs over here of about 250 in May or so. And then obviously when the market crashed, we saw it down here at about $1 or so. So since that $1 range, we're up about 70% or so. So definitely dip buying opportunities that we saw in the past have been positive. Now in the 1 year chart, this one is up 2,200%. So $1,000 will be worth around $22,000 right now, as the coin was trading at 0.0864. Now we see this one is still doing very, very well, even with this huge spike and pull back down. The coin is doing very well. Now with this one, Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof of stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Development or Cardano used the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled securities and stability. Now the blockchain's native coin, ADA, is named after the 19th century mathematician. So this is definitely another coin that I like in my opinion, and I think that this one could definitely be another coin that is going to be higher in the future, potentially be trading at around that $500 billion market cap maybe in the next 10 to 20 years. So definitely has about a 10x potential for the future, as it could be one of the top picks to be used in the future as well. So definitely another one to add to your radar, guys. Coming in at the number 3 spot is going to be Polygon, also known as Matic. So this one, we've actually made a video separate on Polygon and why we think Polygon is going to be doing very well in the future as well. This is a very green coin, and this one had a lot of momentum when Elon Musk said that Bitcoin will not be accepted anymore as cryptocurrency for the Tesla cars, and Polygon had some momentum right there, and a lot of people started to get into Polygon. Now in the past 24 hours, this one is pretty much flat. In the past week, it's actually up about 72% as it was trading down here at lows. Now in the past month, up about 111%, but it did hit lows here of 87 cents or so in May or maybe a week ago, and we saw it spike back up. So if you bought that dip, you'd be up over 100% right now and continue to just run on higher. Now in the past year, it is up over 9,000%. But here, when Elon Musk announced that they will not be accepting Bitcoin anymore, the coin did spike to 268 or so, and then obviously with the market crash, we saw it go under $1 once again. But it was trading at around the $1 range in the beginning of May. So if you know, as long as you didn't buy at the high, you would still be in the green right now at any point because the coin is higher than it has been at any point other than that point that we saw here on May 17th. So the coin is performing very, very well. One coin that we're going to be keeping a very close eye on for the future, as we think this one could definitely be worth around 100 billion market cap in the future or higher, which gives it around a 9 to 10x potential, as the market cap currently is at 11.8 billion, volume in the past 24 hours 3.1 billion. And if we take a look at Polygon, there's going to be an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Now Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechain. Now, if we take a look right here, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Now, users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in proof of stake consensus. So it's pretty much like you can use it for other things, and that is the thing we like to see about Polygon. Definitely a green coin that we've added on our list. We even made a video about 6 green coins that could potentially be the next coin that people will be buying because it's greener than Bitcoin. So if you guys want to check out that video, it's on the channel as well. Just look it up on a channel search on there, 6 green altcoins, and you'll see it on there on the channel. Now, let's get into it. Number 4 penny stock. The 4th penny stock on the list is going to be Stellar Lumens. So it is currently trading at 41 cents, up about 7% on the 24-hour chart right now. In the past week, it's up about 12% as well. And then on the 1-month chart, down about 16% or so. 1-year chart, up over 481%, almost 500%. As we see, we're pretty much trading at the prices that we were trading at around end of April. So we pretty much just pulled back about 1 month of gains back, as we did hit highs here of about 79 cents. So about 100% upside that we saw right here from the current trading area. So we saw it fall back down about 50%, cut back 50% of its value, as it was valued at around 20 billion market cap, and now we're at a 9.4 billion market cap. Volume in the past 24 hours 1.1 billion, and then the circulating supply 23.1 billion coins. Now this one, Stellar's cryptocurrency, the Stellar Lumen XLM, powers the Stellar payment network. Stellar aims to connect banks, payment systems, and individuals quickly and reliably. Another coin that is very interesting that we've added to our radar in the recent times, and it's pretty cheap. So that is another thing that could attract investors. In the past, it's done that, especially with Dogecoin and some of the other coins that we saw. The cheaper the coin, the people think that it has more potential. They don't look at the market cap and understand the fundamentals behind that and how market cap works. Obviously, lower market cap, it is easier for it to push on higher. The higher the market cap, the more it takes for it to 2x or 3x or 4x. And with this one being at right under 10 billion market cap, it gives it a lot more potential compared to Bitcoin, where it would take a lot of movement or a lot of power to make Bitcoin 2 or 3x. So definitely another coin to add to your radar, guys. And now we're going to get into the 5th one, and the last altcoin on the list is going to be VECHAIN. So VET. This one is up about 16% in the past 24 hours. It was trading at around 10 cents. Now it's trading at around 13 cents. Now this one in the past week, up about 47%. And then on the 1-month chart, down about 33%, as it was trading at around 25 cents per coin. This one is still up almost 2,000% on the 1-year chart, as the coin was trading at around 0.0072 a year ago. Now we did hit highs here of about 28 cents at one point in April. Then we saw a pullback, consolidated here, and then another pullback all the way down to the lows. Now we did bounce back all the way to pretty much April prices once again. Market cap on this coin is around 8.2 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at around 1.1 billion, and then the circulating supply of the coin 64.3 billion. And VECHAIN, so this is going to be a cryptocurrency and smart contract platform focused on supply chain management. It allows manufacturers to add sensors such as RFID tags to their products that can be, then recorded data onto the VECHAIN blockchain. So it's pretty much like a tracker, pretty much right there. VECHAIN, once again, another cheap coin that a lot of investors might be getting into, especially as they first get into crypto space, because they see that the coin is very cheap and they think that it's gonna, triple or quadruple its price target. But it actually does have some potential to continue on higher and potentially even hit a $1 price target, more realistically than, Dogecoin, I guess you could say. So definitely one that I would be adding to my radar, and you should too, in the month of June. I'm obviously not a financial advisor. This is all for educational purposes. So before investing, obviously speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence on all of these crypto coins. Now let's take a look at some of the most recent crypto news. So U.S. plans cryptocurrency crackdown. What is going on here, guys? So U.S. financial authorities are preparing to actively regulate the 1.5 trillion cryptocurrency market amid growing concerns of lack of oversight, the Financial Times reports. Now, the acting U.S. comptroller of currency told the FT that he wants U.S. officials to work together to set a regulatory perimeter for crypto. So right here, HSU testified at a congressional hearing earlier this month. That after seeing fintech create new payment processing tools, it is hard not to feel some deja vu to the years preceding the 2018 financial crisis. The new techniques give rise to a large and less regulated shadow banking system, he said. So how do you guys think this is going to affect the crypto space? Are they going to be able to regulate, crack down pretty much on the crypto or not? I want to see some comments below letting me know. Let's discuss, what do you guys think is going to happen with the United States and cryptocurrency, and how it's going to affect obviously the crypto space in, overall. Now, as we guys take a look at the crypto space, doesn't look like it's affecting it much because most of it's doing very well for the day over the weekend, Memorial Day. Now, if we take a look right now, Bitcoin is up about 6% in the past 24 hours, currently trading at right under $38,000 per coin. Market cap right around 700 billion. Like we said, we need this one to break through the 42,000 area. If Bitcoin can break through the 42,000 area, we can continue to, break through and possibly get back to the 50,000 or so, and maybe start a new bull run throughout the rest of summer. Or we might see a cool down in the summer and, continue to see lower prices, maybe even under 30,000 or so once again. So definitely something interesting to watch for the rest of the June and the upcoming months, to see how Bitcoin is going to perform and what the other altcoins are going to do as well. Now, Ethereum, this one is actually up about 15% in the past 24 hours as we hit lows of about 2,200 and then now highs of 2,700. So Ethereum moving on higher and higher, guys. Very positive. Market cap 316 billion right now. If we take a look here on the 1 week chart, Ethereum's up about 2.5%, which is good. And then on the 1 month chart, only down about 2%. Now, obviously, we did see Ethereum go from 2,200 all the way to highs of about 4,400 and then pull back down to about 1,700. So from that 1,700 level all the way back to 2,700, just in a matter of weeks. So once again, this was a good cool off for Ethereum, in my opinion. We saw those highs, we saw what it could do, pull back down to, pretty much end of April prices, and now we see it moving on higher. Obviously, we need to see Ethereum move slowly. We don't want to see Ethereum go up 100% in a matter of a month. That was way too much right there. It was way overbought. Then we saw the oversold situation. So we need this one, slow and steady wins the race. It's nice to see it, move slow and slow for a few months and hit those highs instead of seeing that huge spike and then a huge sell-off. Definitely not something that we want to see, guys. So now we're going to be looking at Dogecoin. So obviously, this is the meme. The meme is up about 9% in the past 24 hours. It is currently trading at 33 cents. It was at lows of about 29 cents. Like we said, it's been bouncing back and forth around that 30 cents level, and that's where we're at right now. So in the past month, it's actually up about 7%. We've been consolidating around this 30 cents level for the past few weeks. And now we might see an uptrend back up. So it seems to be like a support level around this 30 cents level, and that is the level that we're going to be looking at in the future. Now, the market cap 42.4 billion, with the volume in the past 24 hours at 2.4 billion. And like we said, not just Dogecoin, but all the other cryptos, we see this uptrend going on right now, to end off the holiday weekend, and as more people are coming back into the stock market tomorrow and different things, back to work, we see crypto start to move on higher as well. So very interesting to see how it's going to perform going into Tuesday and the rest of the week. Is crypto going to continue being green, or is there going to be a sell-off going obviously into the week as people start getting into more stocks and other things? As we obviously know that it was a 3-day weekend. weekend, people couldn't trade stocks, so a lot of people got into the crypto space because that was the only thing they could do on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So it's definitely interesting to see what's going to happen in the crypto space for the rest of this week. Is Bitcoin going to get past that 42,000 level, or is it going to fall back down after it, fails to pass that resistance level? Leave a comment below. Let me know. Now, as always, if you guys enjoyed, smash that like button. Let's aim for 200 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. As always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. Links are going to be in the description for that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.